Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the Hungry Shark mod menu for free, working perfectly on both iOS and Android devices. If you've been searching for Hungry Shark hacks, unlimited coins, unlimited gems, or how to unlock all sharks, this is the video you need. As you can see on the screen, this mod menu gives you access to all the best features in Hungry Shark. You'll be able to unlock every shark instantly, get unlimited coins and gems, enjoy free shopping, and much more, all on iOS and Android. Before we start, make sure your Hungry Shark game is updated to the latest version. To check, simply go to the App Store or Google Play Store and see if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to go. The next step is simple. Head down to the pinned comment below this video. I've explained exactly where you can download Hungry Shark Plus Plus and how to set it up. If this method works for you, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment letting me know which shark is your favorite. Your support helps this video reach more players looking for Hungry Shark tips and tricks.